Okay guys, so I've just finished a game of the Hover Skirmish. I'm so bored of that skirmish after grinding it for the past 2 days, but I believe this is the last game I'll need to do because I finally gotten to the end of Operation D and got the new drone that's at the end. I'm going to be using it for my new Mark III Corrupted Fafnir because, oh, it's so good and it needs a drone to keep it alive longer. At the moment, I'm using the Eye with like a new lockdown chip I got from this operation. So now I'm going to try and build a really good build for this drone. There we go, level up Operation D. Let's head on over to claim our drone. I don't even know which one it's called or if it's even good or not. It looks cool though. What's it called? I don't know. Reviver. It's called Reviver. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure what it does at this point. When the robot's durability reaches 0, the drone instantly restores part of it. Ooh, how much does it restore? It doesn't have a shield chip, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, that's a pretty cool looking drone. So yeah, I'm really happy I've managed to get that. I'll show you guys what chips I run on it. In case you guys have this drone and don't know what to run. But yeah, I'll get back and show you that in a sec. Okay guys, so here's my new Reviver drone. I found out that the ability the revive ability, it repairs 50% health instantly when you get to 0. And with a Mark III Fafnir, that would be brilliant. I've got the target seeking cannon, a lockdowner chip, which is actually really fun, on repair unit defense, and also I have on repair fix. So every time I heal, I'm going to get defense and extra health. This is going to be a killer drone. Here are my drones at the moment, but yeah, I'm honestly just so lucky to have been able to upgrade this Fafnir to Mark III. It's so good at the moment. I literally deleted like 5 Titans in one of the games I played with it. I think it was a Nodens, a Sharanga, an Arthur, and a Luchador, and I think another Arthur. It was so good. I literally got to Living Legends. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.